Okay, hey everybody, this is John, and this is the free video. So I just want to focus tonight on the dollar index. So this is the main thing I'm looking at here on the dollar index. So right here, this is just a simple chart. It's got the squeeze on it, and it's got the combo wave. And this moving average right here is the 21-period exponential moving average. So this is, in general, the idea with this is that if you're above this, you buy pullbacks. You buy pullbacks to the moving average. And if you're below it, you can short rallies to it. So the dollar index popped up here. It's pulled back, and now it's just hugging this 21-day moving average. And today it's popped up. It's up like 33 ticks. And in general, in this environment, a strong dollar means everything else is going to go down. Okay, strong dollar is, in terms of like other assets and commodities and things like that, is going to push it lower. And what I'm looking at here, if we look at this on multiple time frames, so let's look at the weekly chart. Okay, on the weekly chart of the dollar index, now we had a squeeze here, it fired off, and now it's over. But even though the squeeze is over, you can actually still use these shifts in momentum as kind of signals. So like right here, once this started turning yellow, that was a shift in momentum. And you can see right here that, even though we didn't go straight up, what happened is the market really stopped going down. It was just kind of trading sideways, and then it popped higher. Well, here, the squeeze fired off long. We had a nice pop in the dollar. The squeeze came back. It was done. But now the momentum's reversed, and a momentum reversal right here is just the same as a momentum reversal right here. And in fact, these are more powerful. If you look right here, you had a squeeze, momentum reversed, and then we went back, momentum came back up. Now there's no squeeze here, but it's just telling you that momentum is strong. So I'm very bullish on the US dollar here. Again, you guys know that bigger term picture, the US dollar is in trouble, right? I mean, this is, we're a financial train wreck waiting to happen. But short term, the dollar it's technically very, very sound here. From a short term fundamental basis, you've got the global economy kind of in a wreck. People are nervous, and they want liquidity, and the dollar is liquid. And if you compare it to all the other fiat currencies that are redeemable, it is actually attractive compared to Europe, compared to other countries. If I had a choice where to put my money into two currency, it'd be US dollars and Australian dollars. Australian dollars I like because if you look at the chart pattern, it looks good. The chart pattern here looks pretty decent, and also, of course, just from the commodity-based, it's a commodity-based currency as opposed to just a pure fiat-based, economically driven currency. So you actually have like gold and copper stores to back up this currency. All right, so that's what we got there.
With Steve Morrow.
There we go. Yep. So here it is right here. So there is a we're having a free webinar tonight. It's called the Market Maker Method with Steve Morrow, and this is based on currencies. Now, we've worked with him before, and a lot of you guys that saw the webinar was like, "Oh my God, this guy's like the guy's from New York. He's very my way or the highway kind of a thing." Kind of a hard sell, and but it's an interesting method. And the thing is we've actually talked to the broker, who a lot of the Compass FX, and we know them very well. And they said that people who are using it are actually making very, very decent money. And so the thing about it is, from a personal standpoint, it's like, he's a brash New Yorker, but his stuff, people are using it and they like it. So it's if anything, it's worth kind of taking a look at. I mean, it is going to be kind of this is more of kind of a hard sell. Kind of a thing that he's doing, but if people weren't making money at it, then we'd say no, we're not going to do it. But that's so just kind of a my 2 cents on that. It is intriguing what he looks at in terms of how the banks kind of take people out and stop runs and stuff like that. All right, that'll be tonight. You guys have good trading, and see you at the next update.